Oh no, I think it's to prove a point. Also, let's also understand T20 is not entirely. Oh God, ये लोग चढ़ जाएंगे अब बेंचोद millennials.
Get.
Okay, talking about cricket. So, in last time we were talking about the India England T20 series was last week, and I had said that Afghanistan at this point in time has a better T20 side than India. I
Yeah.
still stand by it because I feel like Afghanistan play this fearless brand of cricket because they literally come and they're like हमारे पास कुछ नहीं है, हम लोग हार भी गए तो भी कुछ नहीं होगा, तो हम लोग जीत के ही जाएंगे. And they have lost like one game out of the last 20 T20 internationals they have played. But we are talking about India.
But who have
So
they played?
yeah, that oh you read that Instagram post too, huh?
Which Instagram post?
Which said exactly this: in Afghanistan have won 19 out of the last 20 international games they've played. But who have they played?
Oh, but my
They've played.
question was not sarcastic. My question was genuinely. I wanted to know who have they played.
They've played teams like Bangladesh, Zimbabwe, and all a lot in that phase. I
Okay.
think Ireland also.
Yeah, I
So
think
they do.
there was also just they end up playing a lot of associate nations as well. So I
Yeah,
mean,
yeah.
and the problem is they're at that awkward age in their journey. Specifically, I would say with T20 cricket, where they when they play Ireland and Hong Kong and all, it's destruction. It's not a fair competition anymore. But when they play India and England, it ends up being more of a fair competition because, like I was saying in the last team as well, T20 cricket is kind of built for upsets
Yeah.
and built for pivotal game moments that one player can in effect execute. So I feel like that is where Afghanistan definitely, and I agree with Dhawan in that sense that I wouldn't say Afghanistan is a better T20 team than India. I would say that in T20 cricket, Afghanistan has as much of a shot as an England or an India or an Australia, because you never know when Rashid will hit a 45 or 15. You never know when Azhar Afghan will come and hit you off for whatever the fuck random number of runs on any given day. And you might be playing for glory, but they are playing so that the Taliban doesn't cut off their cousin's head. I don't know what their motivation is, but I'm sure it's more than you and me. So that's
Neville,
my
what do you
logic
think
there.
Afghanistan's motivation
Six.
is to win matches?
Oh no, I think it's to prove a point. Also, let's also understand T20 is not entirely. Oh God, ये लोग चढ़ जाएंगे अब बेंचोद millennials. It's not entirely a skill-based game. I mean, you need to
ये
be
मेरे को चढ़ना
talented.
पड़ेगा, मेरे को तेरा कान
You
खींचना
need to
पड़ेगा.
be you need to be talented, sure, but like fuck that, dude. You bat up to five, you can destroy another team, and you bat up to. It's not Test cricket. That's for certain. You know,
Hmm.
and so I think that on any given day, um, there is a team that can beat and upset you. I mean, it's happened in a World Cup in 50 over format where Bangladesh has beaten us also. So I think when it comes to T20, I think there is an opportunity. Plus, I think Afghanistan leave everything out on the field. है नहीं ना और कुछ. Like
Yeah.
you're only playing for pride. You're only playing for national glory. You're like, this is one thing that helps us get invited to tournaments, which helps the Afghanistan Cricket Board make money. uh, there is no
Absolutely.
there is no other way that the Afghanistan Cricket Board can afford to practice in India or stay in Dharamshala or play in
No, I
Dubai
mean,
and things like that.
that's paid for.
I
That's
mean,
always
yes,
paid
it
for.
is. But what I mean is that if you didn't do well, at some point you'd question it. You know what I'm saying? Like the BCCI would question it.
Yeah. And and while you say that T20 is not a skill-based game, I have to disagree with you over there. I
What
feel
I
like
mean is, it's like this. I knew this. All you fucking nubile infants will chada on this, but
I mean,
what that's not what I meant, right? Like I didn't mean that you should that you don't that you it doesn't mean that you have to be able to play cricket. What I mean by that is that it doesn't require 5 days of concentration. It doesn't require 8 hours of concentration. It doesn't require a game plan that needs to in a one day also you can get to a place where you are doing 91 for no loss in 10 overs, And from there
nahi,
you
nahi,
could
nahi, 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 nahi.
you could deteriorate.
I have
You
to
know?
I beg to differ. I beg to differ. I feel ki in a test match there are always moments where you can just kind of like hold.
Hmm.
There is a concept of holding a position in a
ये तेरा
test match,
स्ट्रीम बंद हो
which
गया
is
है?
not. Huh?
ओ
नहीं
नो
नहीं
मेरे को
चालू है
लगा
चालू है.
स्ट्रीम बंद हो गया, सॉरी. हाँ.
तेरा So I'm saying, in a test match, you can hold a position. In T20, there is no concept of holding a position. The ground
Which
underneath your feet is constantly moving.
I
Yeah,
understand, but does
and
that? But
in what ends up happening in test match
It's a
cricket is
different skill set.
generally the better team will win, whereas in T20 cricket it's more about who executes their skills better on that given day will end up winning, because there is a game
Yeah.
plan. It's not like T20 cricket is played with just like "Aao maro, dekho maro," that kind of cricket. It looks like that, but there is a lot of thought process going on behind the scenes. We had Gaurav Sundararaman coming onto the stream and literally educating us on how they use statistics, how they use matchups, and all of these.
Yeah.
So T20 cricket is a very differently evolved form of cricket, and it is nowhere close to Test match cricket in terms of the kind of skill required. But the basic cricket skill
of
needs to
course,
be there,
of
and it's
course.
only about on that day whether you can execute it as per your plans or not.
But that's exactly what I'm saying. It's like like the best football analogy I can give is to beat a good team over two legs requires a good team. But a
Hmm.
final or a single game can anyone's it can be anyone's game on a in a situation like that, right? Because God forbid your plan goes awry in the first few innings. Somebody breaks a leg, somebody कोई ball ऐसा गलती से catch छूट गया ये वो. Every single fucking thing determines the outcome of the game, right? Every mistake, every fallacy, every problem. Dhaval's not
Isn't that
interested.
every game ever?
No, that's what I'm saying. No, in test match, for example, you can come back from where you are.